I know that your last cake was pretty rough. It was pretty rough. Some things happened that you weren't really expecting, and to sum it all up, it really didn't come out the way you wanted to. You're feeling really down on yourself right now. I'm here to let you know that it's okay. The fact that you challenged yourself, I know that you're going to have some growth out of this last experience. The most important thing for you to know right now is that you can't give up. You can't give up. The way to get better at cake decorating is first practice and learn. There is a whole community of people, including a lot of people like you, who are just now starting to learn to decorate cakes. But everyone is still learning. There is a lot to learn. I know it seems overwhelming at times, but you will get this, and your next cake is going to be 1,000 times better. So keep practicing, keep learning, keep an open mind. It's really important at this point that you don't give up. Don't give up if learning to decorate cakes and being as good as you could is your goal. Definitely don't give up. You made the cake and you got it to where it needed to be, but it wasn't exactly what you had hoped for. It's a sign that you're growing, and it's a sign that you're learning, and you're gonna be better next time around. So don't give up. Believe in yourself, because I believe in you. Just keep going.